Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is a reminder clip of the beginners class we did at the Kenn Centre on the 9th of August. We did a first move, a step across, an octopus and a lady spin. This is just an aid memoir to show you how everything joined together. If you need more detailed information, then there are links in the description below to the teachers for each of these moves. So it started with the first move. So it was man's left, lady's right, and it went like this. It went 7 and 8. We went a back, in, twist, twist, turn, face, return for the step across, went underneath, pull down and face, return to two hands for the octopus, guys in front, and catch a ladies in front, and catch a guys in front, and catch a ladies in front, switch to the right for the lady spin, prepare, spin, catch, return and back. And that was that. Hope you enjoy our dance videos. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that would be fantastic. It helps promote everything we do. And there's a music recommendation of something nice to practice to on the end. Thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.